Okay, here's a redo of my apartment just because it's a little more finished. Here's my bathroom. It's pretty much the same. Mirror right there. Sink, toilet, shower. It's nice. I'll head down the hallway. That's my roommate's room, by the way. Head down the hallway. Here's my kitchen. All stainless steel, new appliances, a lot of cabinets, a lot of space. So it's not too bad. There's my way. It's too expensive now, so I'm cutting down on using it. There's my dining room table. I guess the kitchen area. There's my wine rack over here right now. It has a few bottles of wine, bottle doers as well. I explained this on my last video. This is just someone rings the doorbell, their picture comes up here, and then I can talk to them using that and then let them in with that button. So that's pretty cool. Thermostat. This is my living room. You know, all black furniture, black coffee table. There's just the two things up there right now. And there's surround sound over here. Facing this way, there's my TV, 50-inch plasma. That's the front door. Down here is just all my DVDs. Here's my bedroom. You know, desk. And it's this is where the spot where you're supposed to say this is where the magic happens. So this is where the magic happens. Just, you know, not too big a room. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. We didn't need anything too big. But yeah, that's the apartment. Yeah, all the ceiling lights are like recessed ceiling for the most part. And then we even have that little middle one right there. So I turn it on. Let's see, that can come on. But yeah, alright, thanks.